In this video, we will be talking about UserPay. UserPay is a system that lets each user look at their own payroll and check out their time managed so that they can record their own time. In order to set it up, go to User Customization and Others. Here, click on UserPay setting. You have to make sure that it has been converted to use. So click on it and set it to use. Select the UserPay group that you will allow. And you can also set up an exception condition setting. By clicking Setup, you can set it up so that only certain departments can use UserPay. So if you need, press New. You can set up the condition name, and under condition 1, you can choose an employee or department. For this example, I will be using department. Select the department that you would like to allow and set it to use. If you want, you can also set up a UserPay group and choose the UserPay group. Once you're done, make sure to save. By going back to UserPay setting by group, you can click New to add a group name. Once that's done, you can press Register and right-click to add menus. So if you want to differentiate the menus used for each department, you can make individual group codes. Make sure to apply them and save them. So going back, if you do not want everyone to use it, make sure to press it to Do Not Use and set up the exception condition. And I will be allowing sales and marketing team only. So make sure to keep the department and set it to use and set up the UserPay group accordingly so that the according department can look at the authorized menus only. Once the setting is done, you have to go to Manage, Payroll, Register Employee. Once you click on the employee, you have to press the UserPay password and change. Make sure to input the password here and click Save. Now, in order for the user to log in to UserPay, there are two ways to do it. First is by clicking the icon above here. The second method is to go to the login page. Instead of going to the login and setting up the information, you have to press the UserPay on the right hand side. If you do so, you will be moved in to this UserPay site. Here, add in the company code. And as for the ID, set up the code from the register employee. And as for the password, input the password that you have given. Once the user is logged in, the user can check out their payroll and the time management slips.